Hi, I'm Mark Milligan with Priority One Heating and Air Conditioning. Priority One has been in business since 1998. We service both residential and commercial buildings in the Eugene-Springfield area. We specialize in the service and replacement of existing heating and air conditioning equipment. Priority One backs up each installation and service call with guarantees that exceed the industry standard. What people don't know is we're affiliate sponsor for the Relay for Life. One piece of advice we give to our customers is to clean or replace your filter on a regular basis. You can reach a live person 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. At Priority One, customer satisfaction is our goal, and we back that up with a 100% money-back guarantee.